Hello everyone. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss the pharmacognosy of colchicum corm, a very important medicinal subterranean plant which is the natural source of a very important alkaloid known as colchicine alkaloid that has been used as a very important treatment for gout and familial Mediterranean fever. This is a lecture for PharmD third semester students presented by me, Dr. Shaimaa Abdelgawed, lecturer of Pharmacognosy, Faculty of Pharmacy, Fayoum University in Egypt. Colchicum corm, or known also in English as meadow saffron or in Latin as Cormus colchici, also known in Arabic as el-lihlah. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss the following topics: botanical and geographical origin, morphology for the colchicum corm, active constituents, chemical tests for identification, uses, dosage, side effects, contraindications, drug interactions, and available products in Egyptian market. Botanical origin. Colchicum is dried ripe seeds and corms of Colchicum autumnale family Liliaceae. It's highly toxic, requiring great caution in usage, and currently nowadays the Colchicum corm or seeds, either the plants or organs or their extracts is not used, while its active constituent, the alkaloid colchicine, is currently available in several pharmaceutical preparations or dosage forms. It's also to be mentioned here that both seeds and corms produce the alkaloid colchicine, so both organs are used to as a natural source to obtain this alkaloid. Geographical origin. It's mainly found in Central and South Europe, Germany, Greece, Spain, Turkey, and also in England. So it's mainly European in its origin, European plant. The morphological description of colchicum corm. The corm or root is usually sold in transverse slices. Externally, it's notched on one side and somewhat reniform in its outline. It means reniform means it's kidney-like shaped. Internally, it's white and starchy. It has sweetish then bitter and acrid taste because, as we will see later on the part of active constituents, it's a sweetish taste due to its content of sugar such as glucose, and also its bitter taste is due to its content of alkaloids. It has a reddish-like odor when fresh, but it lost this odor upon drying. Active constituents. The major active constituents present in the colchicum corm is alkaloids, especially the colchicine alkaloids. This is a very poisonous and used with a certain dose in several pharmaceutical preparations, as we will see later on the uses section. Colchicine is an alkaloid contain trobolone ring or seven membered ring. As we can see here, this is very characteristic for colchicine alkaloid. It's non-heterocyclic alkaloid. As you can see here, the nitrogen group is outside the ring, but it contains a trobolone or seven-membered ring. This is very characteristic for colchicine alkaloid. Also, it contains resin named as colchicorresin. It has as well fixed oil, glucose, which is responsible for the sweet taste of the corm, and also a starch responsible for the white powder appeared on fracture of this corm. Chemical test. Actually, this is a test for colchicine alkaloid. The powder of colchicum corm with nitric acid give red color, while with 20% hydrochloric acid give a yellow color. Uses. Uh, all that uses are mainly due to the presence of colchicine alkaloid, or these are uses actually of the colchicine itself in several pharmaceutical preparation, as we will see now. The colchicum corm or seed are currently not used due to its high toxicity. Instead, the colchicine alkaloid is incorporated in several pharmaceutical preparation for the treatment mainly of acute gout attacks. Colchicine relieve inflammation of gout, and we have here in Egypt two pharmaceutical preparations that are very popular for the treatment of gout, and their main active constituent is colchicine alkaloid. They are named as uracilvine and urivine effervescent granules. Also, colchicine, known for its analgesic, anti-rheumatic, cathartic, and emetic effects. It is also used in the treatment of leukemia as anti-leukemic or anti-cancer agents. Also used as a first-line treatment for familial Mediterranean fever. We have here two also examples of colchicine tablets present in the Egyptian market for the treatment of familial Mediterranean fever. This one named, for example, as colmediten. The name means col from colchicine, mediten from Mediterranean fever. It has 0.5 milligram of colchicine, also colchicine tablets. And the dose of colchicine for the treatment of gout is different from its dose for the treatment of for familiar Mediterranean fever, as we will see later on the section of dosage. It also used externally to relieve neuralgia. So externally, either colchicine or the colchicum root extract could be used, but internally only colchicine is currently used. While colchicine corm powder or extract is not used due to its high toxicity. Dosage. Colchicum, as we previously described in the last slide, not used nowadays due to its toxicity. Instead, colchicine alkaloid is present in many pharmaceutical products and used. The dose of colchicine for the treatment of gout is from 0.6 to 1.2 milligram twice daily, while for Mediterranean fever the dose is from 1.2 to 2.4 milligram daily, also twice daily. So if you are going to use it for Mediterranean fever, you will use a higher dose, more than its dose for the treatment of gout. Side effects. Colchicum corm is a very toxic plant and should not be used or used only under a medical supervision or qualified practitioner. Contraindications. As we previously said, it's a very toxic plant, shouldn't be prescribed, especially for pregnant women or patients with kidney disease, and should only be used under medical supervision or qualified practitioner. Drug interaction. The antifungal drugs such as itraconazole and ketoconazole, also the macrolide antibiotics such as clarithromycin and erythromycin reduce the elimination and excretion of colchicine, which may increase the risk and side effects of the plant or even of colchicine containing products. So the co-administrations of colchicine pharmaceutical preparations with antifungals or macrolide antibiotics should be prohibited. Products in Egyptian market containing colchicine, we have two popular effervescent granules for the treatment of gout. Also, other products are tablets of colchicine for the treatment of familial Mediterranean fever or even for use in mild leukemia, such as those products. I hope this lecture was useful to you, and please, if you have any comment or question, write it down below this video. Thank you.